Is it still in here?
Yeah.
Where is it?
Bathroom is on the...
What's going on? A bird! What's going on? Oh.
No! There's another bird in the house!
Oh no! We mentioned Hitchcock this Christmas. I don't know how this happened.
We'll sneak in and pretend to be one of his kind.
Do we have a net of some kind?
We do have a net out in the toilet.
Phil, Gita. Phil needs to sneak in. Will you marry me?
It's Hatoful boyfriend.
It's Phil's fault for playing that pigeon game.
So how do I look at this?
And now it will be attracted to my sweet dog.
Things you can do. Those clouds too small. You technically own in devices.
I think we can.
So some things that I don't have.
Delete them off, but still on them.
Where is it?
Represents things I own, but the device represents things that I have. We have access.
No, it's on here. What the?
Where is this? On the move. Christmas Day. Can we tear down this wall?
That's so cute.
Oh, can we keep
It's in the toy room. TARDIS bird.
It was on the TARDIS.
Oh.
It's the TARDIS bird.
I see.
Now. Don't you, Ellie, figure out how to English for once, Pulse. Here, I got it.
I got this. Phil, your sexy dance didn't work.
I know. The sex appeal is low.
Plastic wrap, that's the stuff. Oh, trash bags?
Bird and trash bags? One weird trick to get your bird out of your home. Doctors hate him. How do I trash bag? This problem doesn't normally happen, ladies. Sorry.
Wow, rude dude.
Amazon Fire game controller. Phil's Bird Tamor. Tamzors. Tame the bird. Bird Tamzors. Here we go.
They have like...
Can you just open the door?
Someone, I need help.
Anton, so that's this. That's I think I'm in the physical devices.
What? Switch that. Maximum surface area.
I don't know if there's a way you can put it in.
Anton, pay attention. Get your head out of the cyber clouds. Not too out of bag.
Put birdseed in it.
Did you?
No, I'm saying you should.
Close the kitchen door.
This is the showdown. It's gonna be life or death. Showdown Zors.
There he goes.
Shut this door quick.
Now let him out, Phil.
Love.
And they're making out. Man.
You stay out.
The cat's trying to come in.
Come on out. Go move out of the door. Move back out. Yeah, give him an open spot. He's out. Shut it. Come in, quick. Okay, he's out.
Success!
Phil did it.
Did you make out with it though? Did you have a sweet make out session?
Did you profess your undying love?